You go outside, there's the sky. Everything that we know about what's going on outside of our planet comes at us through the sky. And so we are all astronomers, whether we choose to pursue it as a field or not. The telescope that we're going to have installed here is manufactured by a local manufacturer down in Adrian, Plane Wave Instruments. And this telescope is fabulous. It is a terrific, awesome, huge aperture that's going to allow us to be able to gather a lot of light. You can think of a telescope as really just a big bucket that you point at the sky and it gathers light that comes in. So the bigger the bucket you have, the more light you can gather. But it's also, what you do with that light, how you process that light. So not only is this a big bucket, but it's a really good system for being able to process the light. We're going to be able to do a lot of really cool astrophotography. If you're really fortunate, like we are, you can have a telescope that's connected to the internet and to a system of computers with data storage. And so we can actually have the telescope kind of pre-programmed to point at a certain time. It can figure out where it has to point to be able to observe a certain star or a certain nebula, and to be able to kind of open the shutters, point the telescope, gather the data, and then close the telescope. And even more, we're going to have a weather station here that's going to be pretty state-of-the-art and allow us to do things like determine whether the telescope is in any danger of being rained on, so you want to be able to close the doors. We're really excited about the idea of being able to do remote observing and sort of delayed observing, and kind of go to bed and say, take pictures of this overnight, and then you can wake up in the morning and be able to see the cool astrophotography that's taking place overnight. The observatory, as you can see, is not only the building here, but we also have a pad kind of behind where we're at right now that has some piers on which we're going to be able to attach telescopes. Like, people can bring in telescopes. We actually are also getting some smaller telescopes aside from the big one that's going to be in the dome behind me. We're going to have some telescopes that we can attach to do some star parties and night sky observations, and also a solar telescope, so we'll actually be able to do some observing during the day. To be able to sit at night and take a look at a star and know that the light that left that star started its journey to me way before I was born. That's amazing. What I'm seeing is not just a place, but I'm also seeing a time.